Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you never miss any of my wig related content. Today I'm going to bring you a review for a couple of different wig related products that are a little bit different for me. These are by CreatedHair by Amy Gibson, and I'm going to show you the scalp cushion and I'm going to show you her Wig Secure Wig Grip. So we'll look at those in just a minute. Okay, so we'll start off taking a look at the scalp cushion. Sorry, there's glare from my lights. It comes in this cute little pink box, and I will take it out and show you what it looks like. So it comes on a plastic form here. What it is a soft liner to go underneath your wigs. It actually goes in position like this, but it has the scalp cushion written on there on the back. The writing doesn't show, by the way. I was a little excuse me, a little worried about that. So this little cushion is designed specifically for, not specifically, but mainly for those of you who are completely bald, complete hair loss. Amy shared with me that she suffered for a long time with itching, wigs and, the itching that you get from wigs. And that's why I always wear a wig cap for the same reason. But this is nice too, because this gives that extra, cushion under there, and it gives this nice flesh appearance of, and really makes the part look much better on your wig. So I'm going to scalp cushion just on a wig head for now. Mind you, this is a petite wig head, so it's buckling up a little bit just because this is a small wig head, but it does not do that on my scalp, and you'll see that in a moment when I place it on top of my head. But I just wanted to show it to you on the wig head real quick, just so I could point out all the features. So this is medical grade silicone that you're seeing on the front that wraps around to the back, and then there's another layer of that just above there. So 2 layers of that medical grade silicone that's also on the inside. So if you are completely bald, you can see where this would adhere nicely to your head. You can wear this under wigs. You can also wear it under large base toppers. So, and then the color is, this material is a hypoallergenic, lightweight, silky material. And it gives that, illusion of scalp underneath. So for the part of your wig, it's going to look like scalp. And it's very soft. So, if you do have that sensitivity in your scalp from alopecia or from chemotherapy, it'll be very, very cool and comfortable on top of your head. Okay, now remember I'm doing this on camera, so it's probably gonna be a little harder. So I'm gonna place it. So here's my wig cap. I pulled my wig cap back just a little bit so that I do have some skin there so that this silicone can grip to that a little bit. And then of course, the rest of it is just on my wig cap. So this is a synthetic wig. This is Beltress Secret in Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, which has become one of my faves. So I'm gonna, hold on to my nape, put my wig on, but I'm not gonna like dump my head over like I normally would because I'm afraid this will fall off. So it's gonna be more of putting my wig on, like lining up my lace on my forehead, putting the wig on. And then what I just have to be careful of is when I slide my wig back. Okay, it didn't move since I have it on my skin. Good. Okay, I think that was what I was doing wrong. Maybe when I was playing around with it because I had my full wig cap under there and it was sliding, with my wig cap. But then when I put it on, notice how it really helps hide those knots. And you can't feel that there's anything under your wig. I mean, it's just so thin and light. It's very, very comfortable. And I could still go ahead and, I like to tape down my lace front. My lace front is still sitting on my forehead, and you can see then the scalp cushion is right behind that lace front. So if I wanted to use my adhesives, I could still use those on my lace front without a problem. So let me show you the part. It really mostly just affects the part. I still have my laces up against my forehead, but then if you separate the hair up here, I mean, this one is not a monotop, but you can see how you have that appearance of scalp under there. So looks really, really good. I'm really pleased with it. So I'm going to show it to you on a human hair wig too, just so you can see it on both. So this is a human hair wig that I have by Bees Bobs that was custom colored by Wigged Out artist Chandra. Look her up, she does a great job. Okay, so this again, this particular cap does have some silicone lining in it, but it's a lace top. So here's kind of what it looks like before I put it on. Okay, let's see, did it move? It moved back a little on me a little bit. So that's what I'm saying is sometimes I have to pull my wig back and just adjust it a little bit, but it's no big deal. Just pull it forward. This wig cap is really, fits me really, really, okay. Well, we're struggling a little bit. Hold on just a second. This is why I wanted to do this on camera, because I wanted you to see just, you know, how you might have to work with it a little bit here. Okay, that, I think I got better placement, yeah. So it's coming up when I lift the wig up, but it's just right there behind, you know, the lace. So let's see what it looks like with this. So I like it. And again, it's comfortable under this wig, you know, this human hair wig. And then the wig cap, of course, you know, helps me with any itching that might be somewhere else, you know, on the wig. So, but very, very comfortable. So now I will pop all this off and I will show you the Wig Secure. Okay, so this is the Wig Secure Wig Grip. It's going to come in this cute little box. It has some pictures on here, you know, just showing you how to put it on and things like that, and what it looks like with different things. So you could wear that, you could use this to secure a headscarf, you know, if you're going through chemo and you just want to be sure that your headscarf is, you know, going to stay on, or you can use it with your wigs. So it is a velvet wig grip. It has Velcro on the end, and obviously you can see you can adjust that for your head size. And then on the inside here, there is silicone. There's that medical grade silicone that is really going to help that grip to your head. And that's something that I really like about this wig grip. So I can put the wig grip on, and then I just, you know, adjust it to where I need it to be. And of course I'm petite, so I'm used to these types of wig grips having, you know, a little extra flat back here. And you can always cut that off if you want to, but usually once it's under the wig, it's not that big of a deal. So, okay, so I've got it on, so I'm gonna get my wig and put it on here. So there it is with the wig on. We'll give it the test here. Very secure, it's comfortable. And here's the back. So you can see it doesn't make the wig look bulky or anything. But yeah, it's very comfortable, and I can tell that it is not going to move around. So I wanted to share this wig grip because I hear from you all the time that maybe the back of your head is flatter and things like that, and you have a hard time getting these wig grips to stay on. So I was happy when she kind of surprised me and sent me this wig grip in addition to the scalp cushion. Okay, I'm interrupting my own video. I've never done this before, but I was just looking at Amy's website. All the information that I put in this particular video, I had gotten from some literature that she had sent me. So I just happened to look at her website, and I saw that you can actually wear the Wig Secure in 2 different ways. So I was like, I don't want to leave this out of the video, so I'm just going to pop this little section in, you know, really quick. So it has this silicone strip like I showed you. So you can wear it both ways. You can wear it so that the silicone strip is on the outside, and then I have a different wig, which I think it's good to show it on a couple of different wigs. Let's see what it looks like. So I've got my Ellen Villa Dance wig here. This is a petite wig, so it's a little, oh, it's good. Okay, I think we got it. I think we got it. I think we're good. Yeah. Okay, so, and then I guess that with the silicone out, it helps really grip onto the wig itself. So we'll give it the head test again. Oh yeah, oh, now I'm a little dizzy, but yeah, that works great too. Okay, now back to our regularly scheduled wig review, or wig grip and scalp cushion review, I should say. I could share that with you all because I immediately thought of those of you who shared that with me, that you're like, these wig grips don't stay on me. So if you are having trouble with wig grip staying on, try the Wig Secure, because it does have that silicone in it and it does grip and really stay in place really, really nicely. So I want to thank CreatedHair for sending these items to review for you all today. There'll be purchase information in the drop-down box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.